Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Halloween Happy, where Halloween is more than just once a year. If you want to see some spooky books, some spooky things, then keep on watching because in today's video, we are catching up on Halloween mail. Excited for today's video because I am going to use today as a catch-up day and we are catching up on some Halloween mail. As I'm filming this, just to give you a reference, it's July 2nd and I went this morning. I think in the future I'm gonna try to test it out by maybe opening something each video that I do. Just not wait as long, just to not stretch it out because I feel bad. Sometimes I don't open them right away. I just thought it would help like break up the videos, like break up the mail videos. Seems like you guys like them. This video shouldn't be too long. The first package comes from Christina from Pennsylvania. So we have, oh wow, present, not perfect. A journal for slowing down, letting go, and loving who you are. Let me see if there's a note. I feel like there might be. How sweet. Oh, Christina, you're so sweet. Thank you for always encouraging me to live my best spooky life. Your videos brighten my day. Stay awesome, Ghoul XO Christina. You guys can follow Christina on Instagram at Christina Meow. She also just started a Halloween account not too long ago, so be sure you guys check it out. And like I always try to do, I'll leave everyone's links down below. So this is a journal for slowing down, letting go, and loving who you are by Amy Chase, author of One Question a Day, the creative cure for the perfectionist in all of us. Quiet your inner critic and release yourself from the burden of unrealistic goals. This is so strange that I am opening this today because I don't know. I am a perfectionist, although you probably wouldn't assume that, I don't think. Just a lot of things that I want to do. I want it to be perfect, but then it ends up not happening, or I just get overwhelmed because I think it has to be perfect. So I don't know, I just feel like it's just been a long journey. This creative journal invites you to take pause, let go of what doesn't matter, and stay present in the moment so that you can enjoy your life in a whole new way. Whether it's awakening your senses to sounds and smells, which I am a big believer on that. I do that quite often and it really does help. Reflecting on an image that helps you stay positive each page. I can't wait to get started on this. I love stuff like this, so thank you. Then we have a little, looks like a Thrive Cosmetics bag, reusable zipper bag. This is cute. I could definitely use this. So thank you so much, Christina. And I hope that you're doing well. And I really appreciate the thought. This is so sweet of you. So thank you so much. So these next two packages are from my friend Sean. Let's check it out. Oh, it looks like we have some craft stuff. Oh, pretty. Sean sent some fall ribbon my way, which I will be able to use. It's like a cute little maroon ribbon. It says welcome fall, like in a gold. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Oh, he sent a bunch of Halloween stamps my way. Wow. Look at all of these Halloween stamps I can add to my collection. Oh, thank you so much. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to show you these. So adorable. Have a little skeleton, a jack-o'-lantern. This one is adorable. It's a little candied apple. And then we have a black cat. Oh, this one's adorable. Then we have a little RIP tombstone, one that says boo, a little ghost, candy corn, spider, a witch hat. We have a little bat. So this one says a baddie boo. From me to you, has a little bat on there. Then this one says happy Fright night. Very cute. And then this one says wishing you a happy Halloween with a witch and a cat. These are so amazing, Sean. Thank you so much. I was just saying to myself, I'm like, I need to work on my little craft space. After posting my video, everyone's like, I love the craft desk in the closet. Am I actually going to be able to work in there? I also thought about moving my clothing rack into the closets. Like, do I really need the rack? I don't know. I feel like I could have like a craft space over there, but what can I say? I'm a work in progress. Okay, so the next box, like I mentioned before, is also from Sean. All these little Halloween doodles. I love it so much. Cute drawings, and it says okay to read on air, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Hi, Sam. Hope all is well in Salem. The other day, the local thrift store got a new shipment of books in, and I picked out all of them that were Halloween related. I hope you like them and can add them to your collection or give them away if you want. Definitely keep the Halloween Queen one. The movie The Hole is one directed by Joe Dante, who did Gremlins, and recommended by Quinn Lord. Oh, on his Instagram the other day. He played Sam in Trick or Treat. I actually met him it was a con that they did here in Salem. Joe and I met him 2019. I think he was so nice. I'll try to like insert a photo here if I can find it. I'm so excited, Sean. Any spooky Halloween book is perfect for my collection. Oh my god, look at all these books. So excited. I also had a few comments on my office video. Some people thought I should put my books on one shelving unit instead of breaking them up in the different categories like I had talked about, and I was thinking that too because I just don't really like, they look so sparse when they're like a little here and there, which is fine. Since they are mostly kid and young adult books, I feel like they just look better all in one area. So this is the movie that Sean was talking about. It Knows Your Deepest Fear. Oh my goodness. When Dane and his little brother Lucas move from the city to the suburbs, they're in for a big surprise. Along with the cute next door neighbor Julie, they unlock a trap door to a mysterious hole in their basement. Once opened, long buried secrets are unearthed. The three must confront their darkest fears. Very cool. Thank you so much. I'll have to check that out. R.L. Stine Goosebumps books, which I'm really excited about. I remember when I was in elementary school, I would always do my book reports off of Goosebumps, and my teacher got mad at me all the time. Even had to tell my mom, she's like, Sam needs to stop with the Goosebumps books. Like, she needs to read something else, but also just watch the show and do my book report off of that. And I got in trouble every time. Every month, every book report was a Goosebumps book. I'm sorry, Mrs. Green. As long as I'm reading, why does it matter that it's Goosebumps? Beware the Snowman. I love this. So looking forward to fall, but I also can't wait for winter too. I know. Like, I want to enjoy fall, obviously, for as long as possible, but I won't mind when winter rolls around. Scarecrow Walks at Midnight. I love this one. Betty Wren Wright. Try to say that 3 times in a row. The Dollhouse Murders. The Dolls Don't Forget. Christina's Ghost. Mr. and Mrs. Watson have a pig named Mercy. Mercy is a horse and wonder. It's Halloween, and Mr. and Mrs. Watson have decided on the perfect costume for Mercy. Oh, this reminds me of Raven. How sweet. The book that Sean had mentioned, The Halloween Queen. This is by Joan Holub. Adorable. It's Halloween night and Sam shouts from the street, hey, put on your costume. Let's go trick or treat. The lady who lives there adores Halloween, so that's why I call her the Halloween Queen. Each year in October, her flowers turn black, a ghost haunts her front yard, and bats hang out back. Wolves howl from her rooftop. Cats hiss from her trees. A skeleton family sways in the breeze. The treats she gives out are the best on our block. Still, I'm scared to go up to her door and knock. My friends are not frightened. They tap on her door. Knights, mummies, queens, vampires, and witches galore. The other kids go, 1 by 1, 2 by 2. So Sam says, I'm chicken. He says, I dare you. Clifford's Puppy Days. Oh my gosh. The Silly Scarecrow with Clifford. We also have The Biggest Pumpkin Ever. I don't have any of these. The Ghost Dinner. Oh, Henry has invited 6 hungry ghosts over for a tasty and colorful dinner, but it's not until he serves a special dessert that the fun really begins. The witch's spell looks cute. We have Hugsley's Halloween, Albert's Halloween. Oh, these just make me think of, like, I love Halloween books like this too. Just makes me think of elementary school, like going to your library, because all the books that you would read were like this, like the softback, the size, you know. We have the big pumpkin. Look at this little witch reading her little spooky spring magazine. The very worst monster. I always like flip the pages to see if there's any names, any dates. Usually it's like a grandma will give the kid the book and they're like, wishing so-and-so a happy Halloween, love grandma. I'm like, oh. Teeny tiny ghost. This looks cute. Boo. Woo. Howl. Yeah. Each day the teeny tiny ghost goes to haunting school to try to become scarier. It's hard work though, especially since he's frightened by his own scream. Inside a house that's haunted. 16 runaway pumpkins. Boo bunny. Oh my goodness. Scared silly. Poems, riddles, jokes, stories, and more. All right, guys, are you ready? Let's see. Here's a spooky riddle. Are you guys ready? Are you ready for it? Let me find a good one. Why couldn't the witches play baseball? They couldn't find the bats. What subject do little witches like best? Spelling. Ooh, this looks fun. Fright, night, flight. Cute. The Vanishing Pumpkin. Oh my God, I'm just getting all of the Halloween feels with this. Pumpkin heads? What is this? It's Halloween. One of the best loved activities of the year is picking out your favorite pumpkin and carving a smiling, frowning, or scary face. A pumpkin head. Wendell Minor presents a delightful range of glowing pumpkins from short and squat to big and tall. Oh my God, look at this. Some go for a hayride. Sean, thank you so much for sending me all of these amazing Halloween books. I'm gonna give them the best Halloween home that they could ever ask for. Christina, thank you for being so thoughtful and sending me a Halloween hello too. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you again to the Halloween happy friends who were so kind to send a Halloween hello my way. It means so much to me. Thank you for all of you guys watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you guys are getting ready for Halloween, getting ready for fall season. It's coming up so fast. If you want, you can follow me on social media. All my links are listed down below. And if you're new here and if you love Halloween, consider subscribing. It would mean so much to my channel and help me out. Don't forget to turn on notifications. That way you're notified whenever I have a new upload. As always, I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I love you. I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. My ankle just popped and it felt so good. From Benny, Ren, Right. Benny, Ren, White. Oh my God. Betty. Benny. Did I say Benny? In today's video, I have a few packages. Today's video, we are catching up on some Halloween happy mail. In today's video, we are catching up on Halloween happy okay, so we have nothing's permanent around here. We're just trying things out. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm really excited. Oh my gosh, that almost made my heart fall out of my butt.